3D printers have been well received by families all over the world. It is suitable for children over 8 years old, for education and intelligence development. Four. Creality 3D Ender 3v2. Among the good things it has stronger anti-interference, faster and more stable movement performance, and quieter printing and low decibel operation. Also, the power supply is hidden in the machine, which makes it much safer. Effortless filament feeding. Ender 3v2 adds a rotary knob on the extruder, which makes the filament loading and feeding process much easier. New operation UI system and 4.3 inches smart color screen greatly improve user experience. Also print resume function, which can resume extruder without logging in after unexpected power outage. 3. Creality 3D Ender 3 Budget 3D Printer Ender DIY Kits. It is also resume printing after shutdown. The assembly is easy and fast, only 10 minutes with 20 screw assembly before the first print, simple assembly but more stable performance. The printing size is 220 x 220 250 mm. It also has a high quality of performance and a humble price of $180. 2. Creality Ender 2 Pro. Creality Ender 2 Pro is completely push-fit. The product is a 90% pre-installed device. You only have to tighten 7 screws, unlike others that you have to tighten many screws. It should be noted that the Ender 2 Pro is only 6.5 by 6.5 by 7 inches, and the original size is 165 by 165 by 180 mm, as it is designed for students and children who love science and invention. It weighs only 4.65 kilograms, with a size comparable to a desktop fan. It is equipped with an easy-to-carry and move handle. Its lightweight design makes it very easy to move. It also has the print resume function. The printer automatically saves your content in case of power failure, making you worry-free about the printer. Protect your print from start to finish. 1. Creality 3D CR100. This printer has a more child-friendly design as it is shaped like a truck. No professional installation needed. It has an automatic floating smart leveling to ensure the great printing performance. It supports infrared remote control. If you have children in your family, our 3D printer is a good choice to give them as a gift. The price size is 100 by 100 by 80 mm. It also has the print resume function, making you worry-free about the printer. Protect your print from start to finish. All printers are below in the description. Thanks for watching and see you next time.